Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the iBetter case for the Redmi Note 9S. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, I was feeling like a bit of a change from the Ornato case that we previously unboxed and gave you some first impressions of here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and decided to get a new case on Amazon. And iBetter is a brand I know quite well. I've used with other devices such as the Xiaomi Mi A3 and other smartphones. So I thought, let's get one of those cases for my Redmi Note 9S. In lockdown, I haven't been out and about as much as I used to, and I think I need more of a sort of slimline case. So this is the iBetter case as it arrived from Amazon. And as you can see, this is the blue one with a bit of an inlay in polystyrene, and it's quite slimline and not slippery. So it's got nice texture, lined texture on the back. There's good cutouts here for the fingerprint scanner power button, the volume rocker, and all the various ports on the device. So I'm going to put my Redmi Note 9S, one of the top mid-range super smartphones of 2020, and as you can see, it fits quite nicely. So as far as the screen goes, the Redmi Note 9S has a flat screen, and you can see that there's no overlay of the case on top of the screen itself. It actually raises the screen off the surface you're putting it down on. It's not very deep, it's a slimline case, but it is a little bit of extra protection. So, something to bear in mind. On the left side, there's nothing there, just as on the smartphone, nothing to shout out about. Let's see how it works with a fingerprint unlock. Not an issue. It's really just the same as not having the case on for that. If anything, the case guides your hand to where that fingerprint unlock is. As far as the volume goes, that works fine. The rocker works fine. As you can see at the top, the cutout for the microphone and the infrared port is generous, which is great. And on the bottom, you have the cutout for the microphone, the speaker grill, the USB Type-C port, and the Courage port. That's the 3.5mm audio jack. So overall, nice feel. It makes the relatively large smartphone much easier to pocket, in my opinion. And I'll be using this for the next while on the Redmi Note 9S, whilst we work on the Tech Travel Geeks review of this great smartphone of 2020. For now, I think that's everything. The case fits nicely, it feels nice to hold. If anything, it's a bit slimmer than the Ornato case that we previously were using on this device. So for now, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Thanks very much, bye bye.